Ávita, the Avintia Group offsite construction solution. Ávita is a system designed to produce top-quality buildings by way of a fully sustainable process and integrating solutions specifically designed by the partners in each project. Factory machinery works automatically, having been previously fed with all the requisite information by the technical department. The manufacturing process. The factory comprises a production line with different stations where each task is carried out. The process begins at the production table where the surface is cleaned and the release agent applied. A robotic system fits the panel side frames, and the areas where the windows, doors or installations go are plotted on the table. The production table then passes along the line to the next station, where the frames of the aforementioned windows, doors and installations are fitted, and the table is placed under the machine that pours the concrete. At this station, the amount of concrete required for the first layer is mixed automatically, as per the digitalised architectural design. The next stage sees the insulation and necessary inserts fitted to join and hoist the panels. The product is then returned to the concreting station where the second layer of concrete is poured, which provides structural resistance. From here, it passes on to the curing chamber. A lift moves the production table with the concrete panel to one of the curing positions. After the panel has been cured, it goes through the following stations where a laser lays out the installations to be fitted along the rock wool as a second insulation. Subsequently, the plasterboard is fitted. After the work is done, the product is carried to the folding table to extract the panel and pass it on to the painting and window fitting station. Lastly, the panels are stored in a parallel stacking structure until they are taken to the site for assembly. The coding of each panel allows the system to identify its location in the warehouse and move it to the loading area according to the assembly schedule on site. Once on site, the panels are assembled in their final location with a lifting and assembly system, which drastically reduces the construction time of the building. The quality of the final product can be experienced in the pilot flat, where you conceive fully finished rooms, a terrace and very effective thermal and acoustic insulation. Ávita, a global innovation in industrialization ecosystem. Ávita is the result of an ecosystem comprising of leading brands in their respective sectors, all of which bring their innovative solutions to the manufacturing process. Welcome to the building sector revolution. Welcome to Ávita. Guaranteed by Grupo Avintia.